Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aspire Salesforce. So in the last video we were talking about the cart page, how we can add any product to the cart, how we can maintain the cart, how we can delete the product from the cart. So today's topic is the checkout process. How we can manage the checkout process, how we can place the order, how we can add the components in the checkout page. So that's all we are going to talk in this session. So let's start. So I have already logged in to the Salesforce site. So if you see here, so this is a store. This is our store wholesale cart. If I click on the experience builder, okay, so this is the our site, or you can say this is the our experience builder. If I select the checkout page, if I open the checkout page, so here you can see there's a many components are added. Like there's a contact information, there's a text block, there's a shipping addresses. There's a shipping instructions, there's a shipping method, there's a dual payment. So today I'm going to explain you what all the components needed to place the order successfully. So if I log in here, so I've already logged into my site, and if I click on products and if I add anything to the cart and I'm opening this cart page, if I click on the checkout, so currently you can see there's a many components are added. You can see the contact information, and this is the address, there's a delivery option, there's a payment, there's a purchase order, there's a many thing, and there's a place order. And suppose if I click on the place order, so definitely it will show the error that please input the purchase order number, or it will also ask me to maintain the credit card details. So I'm going to explain how we can manage it in each and every step. So let's start. So first of all, I'll explain you the different components for the checkout page. If you see here in the experience builder, see, I mean, if you see here, so contact information is needed for now. If you see here, shipping instructions is also okay. Yes, shipping address is here. So in the shipping address, if you click in this component, in the right side, the component will be opened. And if you click each and every list, then you can see, you can add the number of addresses. Like currently it is 6. If you click on 2, then in the left side you can see only the 2 shipping addresses. And addresses, you can see there's a 6 additional addresses. You can see there's a edit address button. S- so this is the edit address button here. If so, I can change the label. Suppose I can add the label like edit address. If you write the label here, so label will be changed here. See, label is changed. Update address. So likewise, you can change anything. So edit address. It was edit address. So I've added again that edit address. So edit address will be here. See, edit address. There's a new address label. So you can update the new address label as well. Or you can say add the new address or new address or anything. Label you can change according to you. So see, there's a show more. This is also a kind of the label. You can also change it accordingly. There's an address form. If you see here, so there is a ship to multiple locations. Make this address the default address. These are some few address form, and there's a binding expressions. So this is something you can edit from your end. And if you go down, so there is a shipping instructions. So in the shipping instructions, you can add any shipping instruction, any instructions to your partner that how your package can be shipped, and what is the instruction for the proper shipping. And if you click here, there's a shipping methods. So see, there's a multiple shipping methods. So if needed, then we can add it. If it is not needed, then we can remove it. There's a payment method. Payment method is a dual payment, credit card or purchase order number. And apart from that, you can also add only purchase order number here. So if you want to remove it or if you want to add any components, so see here you can click on the components. If you type dual payments, then you can see here is a dual payment. If you type purchase order number, then you can see the purchase order. If you see address, see there's a billing address, shipping address component. So you can directly drag and drop here, and you can easily add your component in the checkout page. So right now, see, yeah, one more thing. There's a you can see there's a credit card functionality here. So if you want to maintain the credit card functionality for your site, then go to admin, go to admin. There is a payments. Click on payments, and here you can, I mean, you can add your provider. You can write any service, or you can make any payment integration for the payment or for the credit card. Anything you can add it. For the tax calculation, see, there's a one more thing I want to tell you that if you want to remove the tax calculation, then this is a query. So you can check this query from this PPT. Use this query in the developer console. Use this query in the developer console. Select ID, name, options, cart, calculate enabled from web store. Click on execute. See, currently here is a true. If it will be true, then you will be able to see the tax calculation. So you have to make it false. Make this field as a false and save. So currently this is save. So tax calculation will not be visible on the cart page or on the checkout page. So this is the first step. So let me maintain this checkout page. So remove this shipping method because it is not needed for now for the placing the order. Remove this delivery options checkout sections because I do not need for the payment integrations because I don't have anything right now. So I do not want any payment integrations. So remove it. Remove this dual payment. Okay. Shipping instructions. I think, yeah, remove the shipping instructions as well. No need of the shipping instructions. Remove this text block payment. Okay. So this is a purchase order number. So purchase order number is needed. If I want to, if I want to place the order, then order number is a mandatory field. We have to add the purchase order number. Otherwise, the site will not allow us to place the order. So that's the point that I want to show you guys. So I have removed all the components and see, remove this cart summary. Okay, 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 leave it. So let's publish this site. So site is published successfully. So let's start with the site and place any order. So click on products. So I can see there's a three products. I'm adding all these products to the cart. Added to cart. Add to cart. The t-shirt is added to cart and this cabinet door is added to cart. So I've added all these three products to the cart. Click on cart in the right side. You can see the cart details. There's a product details. These all three products with the quantity 1. So there's a three items in the cart. Let's click on checkout. Okay. So this is a contact information. This is a address and this is a purchase order number because I have already removed all the components from the checkout screen. So click on this address. If I click on Okay, so I click on this address, Mumbai shop address or many thing, and there is a purchase order number. I am adding purchase order number as a order, first order. So on the checkout screen, I can see this error. An integration error occurred in the compute shipping. Contact your admin. So I think this is something. This error is something related to the shipping part. So so to resolve this issue, go to store, click on administrator, click on shipping calculation, and see here shipping is enabled. Disable this shipping. I have disabled this shipping. So let's refresh the page and check what is happening. Yes. So here this is a address. This is the contact information. I am adding the purchase order number, first order, and see place order button is enabled. If you click on the place order button, my first order is created. This is a confirmation page. Thank you for your order. Confirmation number this one, and we will send an email with your confirmation number and receipt shortly. So these all the message we can edit according to us as per the requirement. So copy this confirmation number, and if I search this confirmation number in the Salesforce, then you can see the order. If I search with this is the order summary. If I click on the order summary, see order details. See, this is the order details. So you can directly search it. I mean, order is also created here. Okay, so this is the order. So here you can see the order start date, order end date, order status is activated, order currency Indian rupees, because all the products is added in the INR currently. If I click on related, so see, I in the cart I added three products. So here is a three order products, or you can consider as a order item as well. And see, here is a history as well. Order reference number, order created. There's a status is activated. There's a, or yeah, one more thing, order delivery group. Actually, what is going on? Whenever order is created, order will be shipped. So order will be shipped. The detail will be stored in this order delivery group. There is a relationship between order and the order delivery group. So whatever shipping address you are adding in the checkout page, you can see in the order delivery group. So if you click on this order delivery group, then you can see here deliver to address, this one. So address, shipping address will be added here, and yeah, so that means delivered to name. I mean, this is the name of the customer. Deliver to address. This is the address of the customer. Desired delivery date. So this is the desired delivery date, and these all the total amount. This is something, I mean, you can see also there's a financial information. So this is something it works. So the process is, once you click on the checkout page, then on the click on the place order button, the order will be created, order summary will be created, and once the order is created, then you can see the order delivery group. Order delivery groups actually contains the delivering address and the deliver to full name. Likewise, if you are ordering anything on the Amazon, then Amazon will get the deliver address and deliver to name as well. So likewise, it is storing the deliver to name and the deliver to address in the order delivery group that is totally related to the order. So that is something it works. If you go again in here, so you can see this is a order confirmation page. So how it is showing? So if you type here order confirmation, see This is order confirmation page that is linked after clicking on the placing the order. So see, you can see here. Thank you for your order. If you see, because in our scenario, we are not sending the email. So we can remove this. We can remove this sentence. We can remove this sentence. See here. So if you publish, so the changes will be published and that sentence will not be visible after the successful order. And one more point, how the address is coming. So if you go to the account, if you click on the account, in the account there is a contact point address. All the addresses are storing here. All the addresses, whatever address you can see in the checkout page, that addresses are storing in the contact point address of the particular account. So I have published the changes. Let's see. Okay. So my changes are successfully published. So let's start. I'm again adding few products to the cart. Click on cart, click on checkout. Yeah, one more thing, if I click here, if I click on change, so I can click on edit address and I can change the address. So this is the address 88 Kalindi Enclave. I can edit as 807 Kalindi Enclave. If I click on save address, then address will be saved and it will be changed here. See, 807 Kalindi Enclave. So that address is saved in the contact point address as well. See, this is the account. This is a contact point address. This is the 88 Kalindi Enclave. If I refresh this page, then this address will be changed. See, this address is changed. 807 Kalindi Enclave. So my point is, whatever shipping address you can see in the checkout page, these addresses are coming from the account contact point address. So this is something that I was talking about. If you click on the new address, you can add your new address as well. Let's add the name Aspire Salesforce 89 Kalindi Enclave, Dehradun 248001, Uttarakhand. If I click on save address, so new address will be added here. See, Aspire Salesforce, so this new address is added. And if you again refresh the page, see, Aspire Salesforce. So again, the new addresses is here. New address is here in this particular account. So what you can do, you can select any address. You can select this address or you can select this address. So my point is, you can add any new address. You can edit any address accordingly, and uh, enter the purchase order number again to successfully to successful placing the order. Second second order. If I click on the place order, s- see, so this is something the confirmation. If I search it, see this is the order is this is order is created. If you see this order, so there's a two product is added, and there's a order delivery group. If I click on order delivery group, so you can see this address 89 Kalindin Cleve, and name is Aspire Salesforce that I selected at the time of the placing the order. And click on details. If I click on the details, so these are something details, that's order amount, activated, and everything. I mean, you can see the everything here. So this is something the how the place order works. And so in this video, I've explained how to place the order. I've explained all the components related to the checkout page, how we can successfully place the order, how we can see the order, how we can store the addresses, how we can edit the addresses, how we can add the new addresses, how we can how we can update the payment method as well. Try it in your personal org, and if you like this video, then like it and subscribe the channel, and I will connect in the next video.